In this video, we will show the best wet grinders in India 2020 available to buy. At number 1, Elgi Ultra Dura Plus 1.25 liter wet grinder. At number 2, Butterfly Rhino 2 liter tabletop wet grinder. At number 3, Elgi Ultra Grind Plus Gold 2 liter tabletop wet grinder. At number 4, Pigeon Platino 2 liter tabletop wet grinder. At number 5, Butterfly Rhino Plus 150 watt wet grinder. At number 6, Panasonic MKSW200BLK wet grinder. At number 7, Preethi iconic WG908 2 liter wet grinder. At number 8, Elgi Ultra Bigg Plus 2.5 liter tabletop wet grinder. At number 9, Prestige Wet Grinder PWG 05. At number 10, Premier Tilting Grinder. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.